All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So like I said yesterday, going to be at a different job site like I am today, so I was. So the job site was this little upgrade in this factory where they process food. So luckily it wasn't in like a hot manufacturing plant like I was doing before, but this is like a little air conditioning room here where they're adding some walls for offices and stuff like that. So some basic stuff, plugs, running wire for plugs, a computer plugs and regular plugs, and then some low voltage piping for the data, like phone or internet. So pretty basic stuff. So basically all I did today was first third of the day or first half of the day, I was running wire through the ceiling and then down and drilling holes through the top plates on the studs. The boxes were already mounted, but other than that, everything else was done today. Cutting pipes for the data, putting on the bushings and all that stuff, and then making up the plugs as we went on near the end of the day. So it was pretty basic stuff, but the boxes kind of got filled up because there's power in, power out for the computer circuit, and then another power in, power out for the regular power or the clean and the dirty power. So yeah, pretty basic day, but it was pretty enjoyable. It was a little bit hot at the beginning of the day. It was pretty much AC a little bit, but then it seemed like it just turned off and it got really hot. So other than that, it was a really good day. It went by pretty fast, so pretty happy about that. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Just hanging out in Portland, gonna hang out with some friends here, gonna go bowling. So figure I would upload this video, make this video in the car and upload it before I did my festive activities for the evening. So hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to, hope you guys like the video as well, but if you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I would love to see you guys back in the next video. I'd appreciate the support. And yeah, there's one other thing I was gonna say, but don't forget to subscribe. That would also be appreciated. And then I might have already said that, but check the description for anything else like social medias, my second YouTube channel, video playlist, or there's something else in the description, Xbox gamer tag probably. And then hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. I think YouTube's been messed up for the last couple days because my views have been like cut by like 33%. So usually I get like 200-300 views a day, but it's been down to like less than 100 in 24 hours. So something's wrong. So make sure to hit the notification bell if you want to be notified. But you guys know I upload videos every day, so just check back if you want to watch a video. So anyways, love you guys. Thank you so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your night. Peace out. See you tomorrow.